Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Dr. Jamnadis. In this video, we're going to talk about something really exciting, so make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. When you begin keto and intermittent fasting, your body starts to undergo a deep internal transformation. For years, most people have trained their bodies to rely on sugar and carbohydrates for energy. Every time you eat, especially foods rich in carbs, your insulin spikes and your body stores fat instead of burning it. But when you reduce carbs and go longer between meals, insulin levels finally begin to fall. In that state, your body starts unlocking stored fat and using it as its primary source of energy. You stop depending on constant snacks and energy crashes, and instead you experience a steady flow of vitality throughout the day. This shift from being a sugar burner to a fat burner is one of the most powerful metabolic changes you can experience. It's not about punishment or restriction, but about teaching your body how to run efficiently again. Once your body learns to use fat as fuel, your energy feels cleaner, your focus sharper, and your hunger naturally decreases. Every cell starts functioning in alignment with your body's original design to burn fat for energy, not store it. That's when true transformation begins from the inside out. The benefits of keto and intermittent fasting go far beyond weight loss. When you stop feeding your body every few hours, your system finally gets a chance to repair and heal itself. Chronic inflammation, which lies at the root of most health problems, starts to calm down. Your body begins to clear out damaged cells and regenerate new ones through a natural process called autophagy. Mental clarity improves because your brain now receives a steady supply of ketones, a clean and efficient fuel that enhances focus and mood. You feel more grounded, more alert, and less controlled by emotional eating. Hormones begin to balance themselves, from insulin and leptin to ghrelin, the hunger hormone. As these systems reset, you start to experience real control over your appetite and energy. Your digestive system becomes lighter, your sleep deepens, and your body learns to function with precision. Over time, this healing translates into visible results: glowing skin, sharper thinking, and reduced bloating. The change is not only physical but deeply internal, a quiet harmony within your metabolism that reflects outward in strength, confidence, and vitality. The real secret to seeing results with keto and intermittent fasting lies in consistency. The first few days, or even weeks, might feel uncomfortable because your body is breaking old habits built over years of frequent eating and sugar dependence. You may feel tired, irritable, or crave the foods you're trying to avoid, but this phase is temporary. As you remain consistent, your body starts adapting, learning how to tap into stored fat for energy and function more efficiently. Every fast you complete, every clean meal you eat, strengthens your metabolism and trains your body to stay in fat-burning mode longer. Consistency also builds mental strength. It teaches patience, discipline, and awareness of how your body truly feels. Once your system adapts, energy levels rise, mood stabilizes, and your mind becomes clearer. The constant hunger and cravings that once controlled your life fade away, replaced by freedom and balance. Staying committed allows you to witness gradual, powerful transformation, not just in your weight, but in how you think, feel, and live. The small daily choices you make become the foundation of lasting change, turning your health journey into a sustainable, empowering lifestyle. When you embrace keto and intermittent fasting together, you're not just following another diet, you're re-stepping into a lifestyle that helps your body return to its natural rhythm. It's about teaching your system to heal, to rest, and to thrive. You begin to understand that true health doesn't come from constant eating or chasing quick fixes. It comes from balance, patience, and respect for how your body was designed. Every time you choose to fast, every time you fuel your body with real food, you are telling your cells to repair, your metabolism to reset, and your mind to awaken. The transformation goes far deeper than the number on a scale. It's the peace that comes when your body and mind finally start working together. So, if you're on this journey, stay consistent, stay patient, and trust the process. The results will come not just in how you look, but in how you feel: calm, focused, strong, and full of life. Thank you for listening, for taking this time to learn about your health, and for committing to your own transformation. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. Stay strong, stay mindful, and until next time, thank you and goodbye.